Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 115, 5 quick wins to level up today.
Yeah, we've put this list together for all of the virtual assistants that are so busy with the in the business work, the client work, that they're neglecting the on the business work. And you're neglecting it. You know it's been a long time since you've really looked at your finances or you've done a spring clean of your client list. So we've made it super easy. We've taken away the overwhelm. You don't need to have oodles of time to spend on any of these things that we're going to suggest today.
Yeah, some quick things that you can do. And that we've chosen the ones that are going to make the biggest impact.
Yeah.
So we're going to go through each 5. And honestly, you could do all 5 of these things today.
Yeah.
The challenge.
Right now. As soon as you finish listening to this episode, that's it. You go away. 5 things. Boom. Easy.
Easy peasy. All right, number 1. Set up an auto reply on your emails so that anytime a client or a potential client or anyone emails you, they get a message that says what your hours of work are and how often you check your emails, or it could be when they could expect a reply and what kind of time frame.
Yeah, this is all about boundaries. And boundaries is a big issue in the VA world. It's one of the biggest struggles, and it affects so much. The knock-on effect of not having boundaries in place and not sticking with those boundaries is so impactful, across your entire business. So putting a very clear boundary in place, which then allows you to not be really reactive throughout the day, makes you feel less guilty or no guilt at all for not checking your inbox every 5 minutes, not going in every time you hear a notification that a new email is there.
Yeah. This then gives you that comfort of knowing that the person understands and they're not expecting something from you that's unrealistic. So easy. Every time someone emails you, they get a reply. So go and set up that auto reply with a nice clear message in there.
Do it now. It's the first one on our list. It's the easiest one on our list.
It is.
Right. Next up. Ask your current clients that you've been working for at least a few months, for testimonials, for reviews. This is about that all-important social proof.
Yeah, this is a copy and paste job. This is copy and paste this email, send it to all of those clients and get those testimonials in, because we so often get so caught up in the work that we forget to ask for that testimonial. And if you're doing a great job, which many of you are doing an incredible job for your clients, they are going to be more than happy to respond and give you that testimonial.
Yeah, this is really important, especially for any VA, but especially those VAs that have got spaces they want to fill. If you've got spaces you want to fill, one of the best ways to show your credibility is to have social proof. So you get all these testimonials and reviews in, and then you share them everywhere.
Yeah, and it's a great opportunity to get some content that you can then use on your social media, because we're all looking for ideas. Testimonials are a great one.
Yeah. It's a win-win-win, this one. Number 2, a win-win-win.
All right, number 3 is to increase your prices right here, right now, in all the places that you have your prices written down for all of your new clients that are about to inquire and come on board.
Yeah,
Not your existing ones.
Yeah.
We know that that's like not a quick thing. This is anyone who's going to inquire from now on. You've increased the price.
No one will notice. No one will know.
Mhm.
You don't have to announce it to the world. You don't have to stand on top of your desk and with a big microphone and say, "Everybody, I put up my prices,
And I'm scared about it.
but
Like,
I'm
no,
scared
you
about
don't
it."
have
Yeah.
to announce at all.
Just do it quietly,
Yep.
subtly, change them. Boom. Easy.
Yep. Very, very quick. And a win that is really gonna level you up. And this is all about increasing your profitability. Really important that we keep increasing our prices.
If you want to be in business long term, if you
Mm.
really wanna make this work, if you don't wanna have to be worrying about your income anymore, if you wanna be able to start using really cool paid tools,
Mhm.
then you need to be all over your profits. Not the
Yeah.
revenue, the profits.
Yeah. So go do that now.
Just do
Super
it.
quick. Just increase it. It doesn't matter if you increased it last month or 2 months ago, increase it again. Get those prices to a level where you're getting some no's.
Yeah. Number 4. We've put it as number 4 because it's a little bit, for some of you, stretching your comfort zone somewhat, but
Yep.
it's still a quick win. It's about relationship building. It's about being the face of your business.
Mhm.
Go away and record a 30-second video for your LinkedIn profile.
Mhm. You might have seen that those who are leveling up their LinkedIn profiles have a little video that comes up on top of their profile picture. Now, I think, little pro tip, you can only do that on the app on your phone.
Mm,
Put that video in there. But like this makes you stand out.
yeah.
This is showing that you are taking your business to the next level, and that it's building that trust. They get to see you, they get to hear you, they get really comfortable with like, I know who I'm going to be calling when I call this person, and them to become my virtual assistant. Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm.
Stand out from that crowd. There are so many virtual assistants out there, which
Mhm.
isn't a bad thing because there are plenty of clients to go around,
Yep.
but you still wanna stand out from that crowd,
Mhm.
and doing things like this
Mhm.
is definitely the way to go about doing it.
Yep. All right, number 5. This one is about you taking control as a real life business owner and realizing that you get to decide who you work with and who you don't. And this is to fire a client.
I can hear the shocks from here, the gasps. What are you talking about, Joe? Fire a client?
Yeah, why would someone want to fire a client? You need the money coming in, right?
It just makes no sense. It makes a hell of a lot of sense when you
Yeah.
step back and you actually think about it.
Mhm.
You're not an employee anymore. You don't have to just put up with work you don't enjoy doing. You don't have to put up with colleagues that or bosses that treat you like shit, that don't value you. You don't
Mm.
have to put up with any of that anymore.
Mhm. You all have that client that fills you with dread when they call, that you just feel like it's a struggle to do the work for them, and you have that anxiousness that surfaces every time you're dealing with them.
Mm.
We all have that client, and the one that's just the biggest pain in the ass. They are questioning the invoice every month. They are wondering what all of the stuff is on your timesheet. They don't pay on
They may not pay you
time.
on time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That client is every month that you keep that client on, you are just eating away at your sanity,
Mm.
at your profits, at your, like, energy, and at your time that you have. So getting rid of that client is going to just free you up so much more in terms of your headspace, your happiness, your joy, and leave space for someone else, a better, more ideal client to come along.
Yes, you did not come into the VA space to work for people that you don't enjoy working for. It's as
Yeah.
simple as that. And as Joe said, you are making space for better fit clients to come in.
Mm.
Now, for some of you, that may feel a bit woo-woo, but it works. It absolutely works. From our
Mhm.
own personal experience and from those VAs that we see being brave and saying goodbye to these no longer right fit clients, it
Yeah.
happens every single time. That
Yeah.
space is then filled with somebody better, the somebody that fills you with joy, that values you with work that you enjoy doing.
Yep.
Do it.
Do it, do it, do it. Right, there we have it. Our very best 5 quick wins to level up today. So let's recap. 1, put on that auto reply on your inbox. 2, ask for testimonials. 3, increase your prices for new clients. 4, do that 30-second video for your LinkedIn profile. And 5, fire a client. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Joe VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the Members Club and the amazing resources, training, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.